Your PC is not getting old. It is being taxed. In 2026, Windows is an AI playground, and your hardware is paying the admission fee. If your fans are spinning for no reason, or your apps feel heavy, it is likely one of 5 hidden processes that Microsoft did not tell you were running. I am Jordan, and this is ITS Inc. Today, we are opening the hood and reclaiming your performance. Let us get into the ticket. Windows is now constantly scanning your files to train your local AI search. It is a massive resource hog. Go to Settings, Privacy, and toggle Continuous Indexing to off. Microsoft's new Experience Analytics sends data to the cloud every 30 seconds. In your Task Manager, look for Telemetry Agent, right-click, go to Services, and disable Diag Track. Your CPU will thank you instantly. If these tips are helping, hit that subscribe button. We are building the most efficient tech community on YouTube, and we would love to have you in the department. Even when it's closed, the AI sidebar reserves VRAM. Unless you're using it right now, disable the pre-launch settings in your personalization tab. Windows now tries to guess what apps you will open next. It preloads them in the background. This is terrible for systems with 16 GB of RAM or less. Turn off Predictive Launch in your system performance settings. If you use the Edge browser, it is now upscaling video in the background using your GPU. Turn off AI image enhancement in the browser settings. Save that power for gaming or rendering instead. That is 5 processes down. Your PC should feel like a fresh install. But remember, Windows updates love to reset these settings. Keep this video saved for the next time things feel sluggish. I am treating the comments as an open support desk for the next 24 hours. Drop your specs if you are still lagging. I am Jordan. This was Ticket 001. Mission accomplished. Bye-bye.